Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Mr. Pure, the CEO of Road to Read and the founder. Today we bring a topic today that we educate the road users about their automatic gear maintenance. A lot of people keep calling me that my car's engine, my car transmission has a lot of issues. It can't transmit well. Some will say that it only just transmit from gear 1 to 2, 3 dozen. Some said it's only the reversing, it's not moving forward. And most of us are so negligent that we don't care about our gearbox. When you are driving an automatic gear, there are a lot of precautions to be taken while you are driving your vehicle. Some people, there are things you must not do, especially when you are driving an automatic gear. Let me tell you at least two major things or three that you must not do if you are driving an automatic gear. Number one, don't put your vehicle on a park if your vehicle have not stopped completely. This will cause irreversible damage to your transmission. Irreversible damage to your transmission system. Number two, don't shift your gear from reverse to drive or from drive to reverse if your vehicle has not completely stopped. This will damage your transmission system. Okay. Another important thing is the oil you use in your gearbox stand work in your make your mechanic to use your vehicle for test running. There are specific transmission oil that is meant for your excuse me, for your vehicle. Please read your manual. It is very, very, very important, my brother. Okay, if your vehicle is not properly transmitting, you don't just conclude that your oil actually it is short of oil. Fine, get your oil. Fine, I'm not disputing that. It might be oil, but it can be caused by the transmission sensors. It may be the oil it has worn out. Okay, so if it does, firstly, what you need to do, check all these things, and before you change your oil from your vehicle, from your transmission system, firstly, make sure your gear is completely cold. Your gear is completely cold. If possible, invite your mechanic from his office down to your home. Don't start your vehicle that morning. Let him do the services in your home. Okay? If you force your vehicle, you drive it down to his workshop, my brother, it might cause more harms to your gear, to your transmission. I don't know if someone is getting me there. Please, it is very essential, very important. Your gear must be cold before replacing the recommended oil. Okay? Okay. And don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. We are on TikTok, we are on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. And YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, download, and watch. It is very important. Until next time, we come back to you with more information and educative topics